Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we're going to be diving into the basic graffiti letter J here in the basic graffiti lettering series on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop them in the comments down below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. So for the basic letter J, I'm going to begin to create some inspiration. I want to create a foundation to work off of, and to do that I'm going to begin with rights, and I'm going to begin with some basic J's here and graffiti rights, so that way I could work off of that. So that I have that in my head here. I do have that sort of style going on as well, and I do have like a little sharper edge going. I can kind of do the same thing with the lowercase. Just a dot. And I'm just exploring different ideas, trying to see what inspires me truly here. A little more room. Okay, so out of all of these J's right here, one that I am truly inspired by the most would be this one right here, and I'm inspired by this one right here. So these are some pretty cool J's I feel to work off of, as I do feel they are pretty basic as well. So for this letter right here, I'm going to add another layer, and I'm going to kind of just begin building and starting the same place that I did when I created the right. So upon creating the right, I started with the body here, and then I went around that way. I'm going to have the same approach. Now feel free to mess with the sizing of the J. You can have some parts thicker, some parts thinner. To each their own. I really don't feel like there is a right or wrong. I do feel like if it has an overall good readability on the letter and it presents well, I feel then we did a good job. So I have the basic foundation of the J here. I'm going to add some shadows where I see fit. And I'll leave in terms of where you're going to put the shadow truly up to you and your end. I'll leave that up to your creativity there. For me, I'm going to place them here. I'm going to remove this cross right here, this area that goes through the J. And this is essentially what we would do if we were using paint. We would just simply paint over this area right here. We don't need that black. And we don't need this side right here either. Nor do we need this side right here. So here I have a basic foundation for a letter J. Presents well, it reads nicely, and in this area I'm not fully happy with. I feel like this can be better adjusted, so to speak. And if you feel that way, by all means, I encourage you to go ahead and really create it and tweak it to your satisfaction, to your liking here. So I have that adjusted like so. Feel free to go ahead and adjust to your liking. That is just for demonstrating the point. You can go ahead and do so. Adjust the letters until you're happy with your achievements here, or with your graffiti, sorry. Now the next one would be the lowercase letter J, and for that one it would be pretty much the same approach. Now I'm going to start with where I began on the lowercase, right. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around here. And then I'm going to go ahead and loop it this way like so. And then I'm going to add my shadows here and here. Now the point on top, you can choose to do a circle, you can do an X. Again, I'll leave that up to your creative spirit. I feel like it's to each their own. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and do a circle to keep it more on the basic end. Like so. And then I'm going to fill these in as well. And here we have the basic letter J. Allow me to adjust and organize these and we will come back. Okay, so here we have the uppercase and lowercase letter J here for this basic graffiti lettering series here on my channel. Now, throughout this series, I am not trying by any means to demonstrate how to be the best graffiti artist or anything like that. My point for this series is to allow us to start with the idea and to get through the process of creating and to come out with something on the end is the overall idea. And I figured we'd do that with learning each and every single letter. So with that being said, if I didn't touch base on anything specific that you may have wanted to know throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok all under the same name. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.